Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So it is Wednesday and it's time for another grocery haul. So I just wanted to share with you what I was able to get this week from Harris Teeter using coupons. I didn't use as many coupons as I would normally like to use, but I did use some and I was excited about it. So remember from my last week's grocery haul where I told you I just have a set amount of money, and so now I'm just going to grocery shop and then subtract based on what I have need of or what I'm spending, and then when I'm out, I'm out. So I wanted to share with you a couple of things that I was able to get. I also wanted to tell you that I got a little small tiny deposit. I think it was just like some residual. It was like $33 of residual monies that might have been floating out there from something, child support. It was not my payment at all, but I think it was just some residual money that I didn't get to make up. So with that $33 subtract 4, so $29, I was able to get some of these things here, and I just had to put a little bit to it. So this is what I decided to do this week, because I did so much shopping for Super Doubles last week that I just made a list of all the things that I needed to get. I was sticking to this list. So based on the sales of Harris Teeter, I was going to get the steamed fresh veggies that were 5 for $5. And I had wrote down that I had 10 coupons. I actually only ended up using 4 coupons because the veggies that I wanted to use with the coupon, I had to do 2 per coupon. Harris Teeter had bacon for $1.97. Nature's Own bread was buy one get one free. I always get toilet paper and paper towels. We needed some sugar-free syrup. Strawberries were 3 for $5. Milk, paper towels, and then Frigo had cheese. So these were the only items that I had planned to get for my grocery haul. And let me show you what I actually picked up. So here's what I have. I have 2 packages of the Kraft cheese. They were on sale for $1.47. I did not plan to buy cheese, but we went to a different Sharing Life group tonight and we were bringing cheese. So I actually had 4 of these. We took 2 to the group and I brought 2 home, but that was not on my list. So $1.47 a piece. The fat-free cheese was $3.47 by itself. I was like, oh my word. So I'm just getting the 2%. It's a little bit more in Smart Points than the fat-free, but it's still less in Smart Points than the whole milk. Harris Teeter had premium bacon on sale for $1.97, and you could get up to 4 of them. So I got the lower sodium bacon, and I'm going to use this just trying to keep with the low carbs. So I got a gallon of Harris Teeter 2% reduced fat milk. I don't normally get milk, but there was a deal going on where you buy 4 cereals, 4 of the General Mills, you get 1 milk free. So these were 2 for $5, and I had $1 off of 2. So I paid $4 for 2 boxes a piece, so $8, and then I was able to get the free milk. So I just got that. So the cereal was not on my original list, neither was the cheese, nor were these. These are the Go-Go Squeeze yogurts that have the low-fat yogurt in it. These were on sale 2 for $5 or $2.50 a piece, and I had a, let me think, I think I had a 75 cents off coupon that doubled to $1.50. So I paid $1 a pack for these. I did not plan on buying these either, but this gives the kids a snack for lunches. So I did get 3 of those. I had 3 coupons. These strawberries were 3 for $5, so I ended up getting those. I did not plan to get pears, but they were 99 cents a pound, so I just picked up 3 of the pears. And then we are out of the clementines or the mandarin oranges, so I just picked up a thing of these for $2.99. Sugar-free syrup we are all out of. I actually had to use regular syrup this morning, not my fave, but it was all I had. So I picked this up, and then Dawn dish soap. I normally have a coupon for this, but I didn't. This was 99 cents. This was $1.47. My toilet paper was $1.89, and then my spa paper towels were 49 cents a piece. The Nature's Own bread was $3.59 buy one get one free, so $1.75, 80 cents or something. I did not have a coupon for that. And then this is what I really went in there for. I think I got 8 bags. Let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I got 10 bags. So I must have used 5 coupons. I got 10 bags of the Bird's Eye Steam Fresh. I got broccoli cuts, and then I got the rice, because this is only 4 smart points on Weight Watchers, and this is 0. So these were 5 for $5. So I got 10, so $10, and then I had $5 off because of my coupons. I might have missed a coupon. Maybe I only used 4 coupons. I'm not real sure. But anyway, this is what I was able to get for my grocery haul this week. And my total balance for this transaction was $49.85. I bought 37 items, and my total manufacturer's coupons was $8.25. Vic savings $58.86 for a total coupons of $67.11, or 58% savings on my bill. So there is my Harris Teeter weekly grocery shopping haul. I'm going to be having some of this for dinner tonight. But there it is. So thank you so much for stopping by our channel. If you like grocery haul videos, be sure and give us a thumbs up. Just says, hey, we like your video. If you're new around here, hit the red subscribe button. We love to keep you as a part of our YouTube community. And also hit the little bell. That way you never miss an upload from us. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel. And until the next time we grocery shop, bye.